Welcome back everyone to Abdul Tech Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to configure your Minecraft server as well as some other tips and tricks. If you want to create a server, check out my previous video by clicking on the annotation now. The third thing is how to run multiple servers on one PC. The second is changing the server properties and optimizing your server. And the third is how to change the RAM allocated to each server. Click on screen now to go to the part you want to see, or just watch the full video. So let's get started. To run multiple servers on a PC, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to your browser and go to your router settings. Then find your port forwarding and port triggering settings. Step 2. Open your port forwarding settings, then fill out the needed information. Give your rule a name, then set the ports to something that you haven't used. I recommend going for 25564 as no other devices use this. Set the IP address to your computer's IP. Note, if you don't know what it is, just watch my previous video and it'll tell you everything. Once you have done your port forwarding, go into your port triggering. Set the ports to 25564 or whatever you set your port forwarding to. Add the rule, save your changes, and you should be good to go. Step 3. Go to your second server files, then right click on server.properties and click edit. If you don't see it there, just go to Notepad and file open it. When you are in the properties, you want to change the server port from 25565 to 25564 or whatever your port was. Once you have done that, save your changes and you should be able to launch both of your servers. Note, when someone is joining your server from an external IP, make sure they put a colon after it and then the port. Now let's check out the Minecraft server properties. Now instead of me going through each setting, I'll just put a little text box explaining what each one is. So I'll see you when it's done. To change the amount of RAM allocated for a server, just follow these steps. Step 1. Create a notepad document in your server folder, then type in this code. Where it says 8GB, put the amount of RAM you want allocated to it. If you cannot be bothered to type it in, it will be in the description. One thing to remember is this may vary for different operating systems, and also I'm using the JAR version and not the EXE version of the server, so there could be some extra steps. Step 2. File save it as run.bat. Make sure it says BAT as it will be a normal text file. Once it has been saved, simply launch the server from the run.bat. From there you should be good to go. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe and like. If you did not like it, tell me how I can improve it. So anyway guys, I'll see you in the next one.